This is the 2014 Auburn James Berry Lane Vineyard Chardonnay from Napa Valley in California. Napa is a great place for Chardonnay, and it makes a lot of different styles of Chardonnay. What you might know as stereotypical Napa Chard is really big, juicy, fruity, fruit forward, with a lot of American oak. Little something different here, very Burgundian in style, and what I mean by that is a little bit more reserved with so much flavor from the winemaking process. So delicious sort of creamy notes, things like creme fraiche, sort of a savory toastiness going on. There is definitely a lot of fruit here though too. So nice lean pear, white peach, and sort of a green plum thing going on that's got a lot of juiciness and a lot of fruit, but really matching those savory notes. Get a little bit of best of both world thing going on. That old world Burgundian thing, meaning that new world California thing, and it's a really nice way to present California wine. We're really loving this. Cheers.